Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Hyundai TUCSON 1.6 T-GDi N Line S, which is a petrol manual, and this vehicle is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. As well as 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the red exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which is ideal for allowing you to lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to your electronic boot lid, once open, you can see that you've got a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Moving on to the rear seats, you can find the leather and suede upholstery with a contrasting red stitch. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Located in the rear, you also have sun blinds, allowing any passengers travelling with you to either raise or lower them when needed. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your cruise control, volume controls, hands-free options, allowing you to do several things via the touch of your fingertips. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 25,197 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. As well as this, you also have your different driving modes, which include Eco, Normal and Sport, all which have a different display indicating which driving mode you are in. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You of course have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Along with this, in your media options, you can listen to your own music, and you also have access to Apple Carplay as well as Android Auto via a USB. Along with this, you of course have your rear view camera with front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. You also have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. You of course have two USB ports, allowing you to connect external media to the car to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and you also have a wireless charging pad, so if your phone is wireless charging compatible, you are able to charge it whilst on the go. The front seats are heated, and for the driver you also have a heated steering wheel, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.